Hello everybody, welcome to our channel PMN Online. Here we will show you how to save, import, and export templates in WordPress using Elementor. Mastering template management is essential for speeding up your workflow, ensuring design consistency, and easily moving designs between different websites, like from a staging site to a live site, or even a local by Flywheel installation. In this video, I'll teach you the exact steps on how to save, import, and export templates in WordPress using the Elementor plugin. Part 1. How to save an Elementor template. Saving a design as a template allows you to instantly reuse that layout on any new page you create. Step 1. Design your layout. Open or create a page in the Elementor editor. Design the layout you want to reuse. This could be an entire page, a single section, or a specialized block. For example, a custom pricing table. Step 2. Save the template. Look in the right top corner of the Elementor editor near the Publish button for the Save Options area. Click the Save Options button. Select Save as Template. A pop-up window will appear. Give your template a recognizable name. For example, let's say Single Page New. Click Save. Your template is now stored in your Elementor library and is ready to be used on any other page or exported. Part 2. How to export an Elementor template download. Exporting the template allows you to download it as a physical .json file, which is necessary for moving the design to another website. Step 1. Access the templates library. Exit the Elementor editor and go back to your WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand menu, navigate to Templates and select Saved Templates. This opens your central Elementor library. You will see the full list of all your saved templates, pages, sections, etc. Step 2. Export the file. Find the template you wish to transfer, for example, Single Page New. Hover over the template's name. You will see several options appear. Click the Export Template link. Your browser will download the template as a .json file to your computer. This .json file is what you will use to import the design elsewhere. Part 3. How to import an Elementor template. Upload. Importing the template involves uploading the .json file you downloaded onto a new website. Step 1. Access the templates library on the new site. Log into the WordPress dashboard of the new website where you want the template to appear. Navigate to Templates and select Saved Templates. Step 2. Upload the template file. At the top of the Save Templates screen, look for the Import Templates button. It usually looks like an upward pointing arrow. Click Import Templates. A file chooser window will appear. Select the .json template file you exported in Part 2. Click Imp. The template will be uploaded and added to your Elementor library on the new site. Step 3. Insert the imported template. Go to any page on the new site and click Edit with Elementor. Click the folder icon, Add Template. Navigate to the My Templates tab. Find the imported template and click Insert. You have successfully transferred and reused your design. Hopefully, this complete guide helped you master how to save, import, and export templates in WordPress using Elementor. If it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. We at PMN Online are here to help you optimize your web development workflow. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.